In today's video, I'll show you how to do chroma key in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into the Edit tab. Now when you're here, you want to go into Effects and make sure you have this. Go into Open FX. And now you want to go into Search, and then you just want to search for 3D keyer. And then drag it into the clip where you would want to do a chroma key in. So I'm going to drag it here and then navigate here into the Inspector tab on the top right. If you don't have this, click on Inspector and then this should pop up. And now that we have the 3D keyer, and now next is that we can go here into this icon and make sure that you choose OpenFX Overlay, navigate into the Inspector again, and click on the eyedropper, and then click on the green screen part. And then, as you can see, it is now removed. But in here, it's not really that clean, so to clean that up, I'm going to zoom in first just so that we can see clearly. And then navigate here into the Inspector tab again, and then you want to go into Matte Finesse. So this is where I would like to clean up the green residual. So I go for mainly clean black, but you want to mess with the features right here or the values and see what is the best value you can get for each one of them to get the best or cleanest results. So I like to go for black, and then here in the clean black, I'm going to go for more, and make sure that you don't put too much value because it could also mess up your footage. And I think this is enough. And now I'm just going to put some footage right here at the bottom just so that we could see what we're working with if the green screen is really clean. And as you can see, I think I'm satisfied with that. It's like it's not a green screen at all. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this, on how you can chroma key on DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.